Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. One thing that can be a challenge when managing a household is to keep up on everything. It can be overwhelming and sometimes discouraging. There are a lot of people who struggle with anxiety and depression. We are all in different situations in our lives and can tolerate different amounts of chaos before it starts getting to us. Personally, I've decided that I do want to have a clean and decluttered home. I am happier when I can keep up on things at home, and I find greater joy with owning fewer things and having more freedom with my time. I used to refer to myself as a minimalist, but now I have decided that a more accurate label would be a simplifier. When people think of a minimalist, they may think of someone like Colin Wright, who got rid of basically everything except about 50 items. Courtney Carver is another extremist who started a movement with her 333 capsule wardrobe, where you choose 33 items of clothing to wear for 3 months. And don't forget the minimalists, Joshua Fields Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus, who were early pioneers of the minimalist movement. Last, there is zero waste guru Bea Johnson, the woman who made her name famous for reducing her waste and her possessions. What really matters is finding the right balance of things in your life that you can manage and not feel like they are taking over your life. I have friends who love their homes filled with lots of things. They rarely travel and love being home. I prefer not to spend the time dusting and taking care of so much stuff. I want my freedom to do other things I enjoy. There isn't a right way or a wrong way. The key is finding out what matters to you and being happy with the choices you make. One benefit of choosing to live a simpler life is that it also saves money. I don't spend a lot of time and effort shopping. We use a lot of the money we save to travel and visit family because that's of value to us. We don't buy things if we can't pay for them right away. If we do charge something, we make sure that we have the money to pay for it before we buy it, and we pay off any credit cards in full each month so we don't pay any interest. I enjoy the peace of mind that comes from not owning any money. I enjoy the peace of mind that comes from not owning anyone money. My home is easier to keep up with without as many things in it. The reason our home currently looks a bit minimal is because we're in the process of painting the whole house. This has given me a chance to think about what items I really want in our home, and I have taken my time to decide. I still will get a few lamps and decorations, but not a lot more. I enjoy spending less time doing housework. I can clean almost any room in our home within 10 to 15 minutes. That may not be what you like, but it works for me. Take some time to think about what matters to you. Make choices that will provide the greatest happiness. It doesn't matter what other people do, and it doesn't matter if you are a minimalist or a simplifier. Do what makes you happy. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.